so we're getting sandwiches from Pret to stay safe. Chose the turkey melt toasty. Got some grapes too. The mosquito bite on my face is finally healing, but we're not gonna talk about that. Ignore her. It's fine. Whatever. Okay, she's not that bad. She is all I can talk about though. Whatever. Wow. You guys, we got fresh and now we're gonna go to lunch. Just heading to the lobby. She's making fresh Egyptian bread. Everything looks so good. I'm excited to try the juice. Guys, the food has been really good so far. I ate so much. I forgot to show you guys, honestly. We were starving. Oh my god, it smells so yummy. Yum! It's chunky. Not as heavy as I expected at all. I don't know if you guys can hear me, but we're on a boat in the Nile. It's so pretty, mashallah. The weather is stunning, 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 stunning. We got some tea with mint. Yum, I can't wait to try this. I hope the camera doesn't fall. Let's try it. Are you anxious it's gonna fall? Imagine it falls to the Nile. I'm excited to try the tea. Yum, it's good. Did you put sugar in yours? It doesn't need. I put shoya. Minty. I like it. Yum. No, we actually are the only people on this boat. I don't think there's anyone else that's joining us. So you guys, we're at breakfast. The place is so sharh, it's insane. Hold on, let me show you. Mashallah, mashallah, mashallah. The view is amazing. And there's like this really nice like skylight going through the whole restaurant. Oh, I don't know why that's so low. Guys, what do you think about my hair? Be for real. I just braided it before I slept. I kind of like it. I don't know. I'm getting used to it. It's not usually this curly. I like it a bit more wavy, but it's fine. It's super sunny today. Obviously, I'm not gonna have these on right now, but I mean, why not, honestly? But this is the look. Oh my god, this actually smells insane. Classic Egyptian breakfast. Okay, maybe not so classic with all this stuff. Okay, these stuff, yeah, the chicken sausage, no, but this is just an egg with bastarma omelette and Egyptian bread, and we have fresh falafel coming our way. Yum. لا 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 كده كويس. بس such a surreal feeling. Everything looks insane actually. This really cool place called Lemon Tree. We're going for dinner and some nice music. Inshallah, it's nice. I don't remember the last time I vlogged, but the last time I did, my camera ran out of charge. So I'm gonna insert the clips that I took from my phone, and I hope they're nice. The place that Lemon Tree is in, it's my 190. أعتقد it's so nice. It's so nice. مرتب. Guys, this place is stunning. Stunning. Passion colada. Looks so refreshing. Look at that. Nice. The weather is so nice. There's like a really nice breeze, and we just had a nice dinner. It was fun. What did you think?
Good.
Be honest. Average. The food was okay, but the setting was يعني أحلى. I don't know what this place is called. It's called Drop. Oh, there's Birkenstock. Wow. I think it's like a multi-brand like store. أشياء حلوة والله. This is cute. Hello guys. Got the same thing. Exud bastarma. So yummy, so yummy. It's extra nice here, by the way. And then طعمية as usual. Their طعمية is insane here. It's like crispy on the edges and super soft on the inside. And orange juice. Stunning interior. I want to show you like the details of the menu. Honestly, the iconography is like insane. Look at how cute these milk bottles are. They're so cute. Sorry, this is not iconography. It's still too early, lol. It's illustrations. How cute. And there's like a little star next to everything that they recommend. This is the one that I got. Where is it? This one. Salted vanilla latte with lactose free milk. Yeah, and look at this. Isn't it so cute? The colors aren't showing up on the camera properly, but it's so nice. I think it's iced salted vanilla latte. Something like that. Looks yummy. The cup is cute. What does it say? أشيلك جوا عيني. Coffee Culture branch that we went to is in this place called District 5. It's so nice. It reminds me of what's this? Darila Women's Health Summit. Okay, getting distracted. Everything is so like pretty and green, and the weather is nice too. يعني في هوا وبس. Stunning مو طبيعي. It's so nice, and it's a mall filled with like طبعا there's an outdoor section and there's an indoor section. وفي so many local brands, and the quality of the stuff, like I already got one thing from a local brand. ولا الquality مو طبيعي. It's so nice.
I think this is like a department store with a bunch of like local brands and local vendors for everything, like for ladies' clothes, kids' clothes, and there's like men's sections as well. The shoes.
يعني stuff are so nice. I'm having such a great time. It's 1:12 right now. شوية هادي المول بس حلو. We finally reached Gramophone. I'm assuming it's inside this building. صراحة very nice. We just came back from a stroll. A hectic stroll. بس الحمد لله, it was fine. We arrived. Guys, we just left what is it called? Sahra? Jalsa? What is it called? Show? Jalsa. It was really fun actually. We've come to the conclusion that we need to listen to more Arabic music because we only knew 2 songs, but it's okay. We still had a good time. Oh yeah, I think we're gonna end the night here. Oh my god, you guys, this is so intense actually. Oh my god, guys, it's actually really crazy right now. My nervous system cannot handle this. Alhamdulillah, alhamdulillah, guys, please, I can't. That's literally me right now. That was so stressful. You don't understand. I'm sure you do understand if you watch the game. I mean, for me, that was stressful. I'm not like an avid like football watcher. Because that was actually kind of crazy. And we had the intention of waking up really early and watching the game. بس صراحة راحت علينا نومة. We woke up and it was like 60 minutes. And we were like, yalla. Like we got dressed, went down. There's like a viewing, like there's a cafe in the hotel where they like view the games, or where you can like view the games, or watch the games, and oh my god, literally after the game ended, that like couple minutes of extra time was the most stressful thing. I'm glad we watched. So glad we watched. What an experience. And everyone was so like منفعل, cheering and shouting. It was such a fun time, honestly. صراحة great start to the morning. But I guess I'm gonna be so like on edge all day and my nervous, I don't know. You know, I feel like honestly a general topic that I can go into and talk about for ages. I feel like the way that you start your day is exactly the way that it continues, which is why there are so many studies that say not to use your phone first thing in the morning, because what you see and what news you react to shapes your day, or what news you see shapes your day. I'm just glad we didn't lose. Anyways, we're at breakfast, so yeah. طبعا fresh طعمية usual بيض مع بسطرمة. I need to work on my accent. I feel like it's very bad, but it's okay. And their fresh orange juice here is to die for. Honestly, so good, so fresh, so sweet. We're at the Grand Egyptian Museum. Honestly, I've been here before. It's so nice. But we're coming here again because it's a staple. We have to. It's so nice. If you guys haven't been, you have to come. It's stunning, honestly. I think there's time for like a quick coffee. Yeah? Guys, the architecture of this museum is incredible. Stunning. Guys, every time I come into the building, it takes my breath away. Inshallah. me these colors were very royal colors. There's a lot of turquoise, lapis lazuli. Wow. Look how nice each of the shields are. So nice. The tour, صراحة, was really nice, very fun. I'm just looking for coffee, honestly. We're just looking for coffee. We didn't have our morning coffee, so it's 12:30. It's kind of late, but it's okay. I wish you guys could smell this. It smells insane. What's it called? Iced cinnamon vanilla latte with lactose-free milk. Well, nice, not too sweet. Back to the cinnamon roll. Okay, it doesn't look this good right now, but it's so good. Mid-afternoon snack because we got hungry. The hawashi looks so good. So this isn't what we thought we'd get when we ordered a salad, but it's okay. This is our salad. And there's taina over here. Yum, 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 yum. Wow, oh my god. No, fried chicken is crazy in the morning. These look good too. I might just do a cheese croissant. This is like honestly with the perfect color. That's so much better. I don't know what I was thinking when I said that the coffee I got was the perfect color. It's too early. I just realized, and you guys have to bear with me because this is my first experience on YouTube. I don't even know if this is gonna go on YouTube. Like, I'm actually so shy right now. Wow. But I didn't end the vlog, and I think I'm gonna split it into like Cairo vlog and then Guna vlog, just because Egypt vlog is gonna be way too long. I guess no one's gonna watch for that long. I don't know. I hope you guys like comment and stuff and we can talk in the comments. I don't know, I guess I'm excited for YouTube. It's gonna be fun, inshallah. Bye guys.